you came for. Tell me what you came for. 'Cause everybody's watching.
Hi, it's Jaiden, and today we are going to be making a DIY 2019 vision board, or kind of, I don't know what else you call it, like a vision board, kind of like a resolutions board, I don't know. This video idea was originally inspired by Amber Scholl. I will put her YouTube in the link below in the description. And yeah, I really wanted to make one of these last year, but I never ended up doing that. So yeah, I figured this is my year. 2019 is my year. I'm going to do it. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So if you want more of like a tutorial, I will also link Amber's YouTube video about this, and she'll give kind of more of like kind of the background and how to do it. I mean, it's pretty simple, self-explanatory. Just tape a bunch of pictures or glue them to a board and put it where you see it every day. But yeah, there is one more thing that I have to do before it can be complete. It's backwards in the camera, but 2019. I almost wrote 2018. That would have been a huge fail. But yeah, I'm gonna walk through and kind of do this like teacher board style, I guess. Just kind of point to them with my marker.
I said, whoever threw that paper, your mom's a hoe.
This first quote is "prove them wrong," and I couldn't like pick between the two quotes, so I just put them both. Because I'm like, you know what? It's my board. I can do whatever I want. I can put the entire thing of quotes if I want. And so yeah. So the first one I put "prove them wrong." Very simple. But I've noticed, like, when I've had, like, a mentality, like, prove them wrong, I usually do better because I'm personally very competitive. So if somebody tells me I can't do something, I am going, like, and if I think I can do it and if I think it'll better me, then I'm going to do it and I'm going to do my best. This one that says, "You are your only limit."
Push it to the limit.
I really like have struggled in the past with like self-doubt and stuff, so just kind of like remembering, you know what, I do not have the limit, I'm making that limit for myself. So just kind of keeping that in mind and kind of putting me in check. And I thought these two quotes kind of went hand in hand, because usually when I'm trying my best, I usually like to stay mindful that I'm my own limit. So in order to try my best, I have to be in the right mindset and not limit myself to negative thoughts, because it's only holding me back from what is to come. And that sounded really cheesy, but facts, truth, tea.
Stop it. Get some help.
The first one I have on here is this lady with a bunch of plants. That's kind of just for me. I really want to like grow some plants, kind of have more naturey things incorporated into my daily routine in life, because usually I just stay home like pretty much all day and watch Netflix or edit. So yeah, that'll be really good. And then the next one down is journaling. I really want to get into journaling. I did start a bullet journal and all of that. I tried to do that last year, but that didn't work out. So new year, new me, I'm going to actually do it this time. If you want to see my video on bullet journaling, I will put it somewhere, probably in the description or on the screen if I am good enough for editing me. You better do that somewhere. This next one I have down, it just says dancing.
Push it.
And it has a little arrow, and I just thought it looked kind of minimalistic and cute, and I also want to dance a lot more this year.
Oh yeah.
And then right under it is the choreography pieces that I want to do a cover of. I'm a Beast, I think, is the YouTube channel, and Janelle, I think, is his wife, and I love their choreography, and so I really wanted to get as many of those done, like as covers as I could. Then next up here, it just has the globe and it says YouTube. That one was just kind of like I need to include some about YouTube in this section because I write under it. Nice segue there. There is my channel and a very, very blurry picture of my channel icon. And I photoshopped it to say 1,000 subscribers. And that's a little ambitious. I don't know if I will reach it, but that's my goal. Because I remember last year my goal was 100, but I ended up getting 250, which is kind of wild. So thank you so much to that really.
Pronouncing things incorrectly. Play yes, girl. Walrus.
I can't speak English. Thank you so much for that and all that. I really appreciate it. And yeah, if you're new here, you should subscribe. Help me with this whole YouTube situation. So I have that there. Again, very ambitious, but you know what? I'm gonna try it. And then underneath that, there's like a little, not really meme, but little quotes in French because I wanna be able to like kind of be a little bit better at reading and speaking French. I only know like a little bit. I'm gonna try it really quick. I'm probably gonna butcher this, like, I don't even know. Je m'appelle Jaiden.
Stop it.
Ne vous inquiétez pas. Bonne chance. S'il vous plaît.
Get some help.
And then this is kind of like a little collage. So it's like collageception with a collage in a collage. This is kind of more a Zen, yoga type of stuff.
Sounds that are trapped in your mind.
And I want to incorporate a lot more meditation, a lot more yoga into my daily routine.
Sir, are you okay?
Kind of eat healthier. That's why I like this one, because it had like healthy foods, healthy moods, healthy vibes.
Kakarot's, Zachanai, Latunchi, Edgy Plant.
Don't know how many more times I could say the word healthy, but yeah. And then moving on, under here is kind of just music. And then another collage. This one's more nature. I just want to be outside more. This one, I want to get way better at my Spanish, and I thought this picture was so funny because it says judges you in Spanish, which I thought was like sassy and just kind of like funny. Moving on, this has some coffee or something like that that doesn't really have anything to do with anything, and also some paint and a typewriter. I want to write a lot more. I used to love writing like stories, songs, everything. Now this picture is kind of to remind me to stay calm because it's meditation, but also it reminds me not to take life too seriously because it has like, okay, it reminds me of like the gotcha symbol. So I just thought that was funny. So I'm just like, okay, don't take life too seriously, like gotcha, it's fine, like.
Get some help.
Cooking. Now, I want to get better at cooking.
Cake will end up crazy.
I want to be able to actually make food.
If you do the cooking by the book, then you'll have.
Because right now my specialty is cereal. This kind of like had a lot of empty space, and so I didn't know what to fill it with. And then I had some washi tape that I recently got. This one just says follow your heart, and then the other one says make memories. And the make memories one was really good to add because I want to take more pictures and kind of make more memories that way. This kind of also has multiple purposes. Multiple purposes.
Walrus.
Multiple purposes. And it pretty much just symbolizes like keeping my closet clean, keeping my clothes in order. I just kind of also be more mindful about what I buy. So this is some more French quotes, and I kind of like this because not only are they cute little quotes to add, but they're also, it shows the English and French, so I feel like I'm just kind of like learning little French sayings as I go along. And then this last one, my mom will be proud of me for adding this on there.
Hey, look, Ma, I made it.
I'm trying not to be in the way. But it just says fresh and clean and has 2 little flowers. I actually photoshopped it to make it blue because the color it was before was like bright red and it did not go with my aesthetic or theme. So yeah, feel free to Photoshop like your images or whatever. I think Amber Scholl says that actually in her video, but yeah. I put it like kind of front and center, like above my quotes and under my title, because I really want to get better at being organized, being more clean. I feel like just a clean house, like my mom always says, having a clean house, like just kind of makes life better. It helps air flow, it helps take out negativity. I don't know, something like that. And next, just to reflect on my past board that I was going to make but never did. I printed out like the pictures from it, but honestly I'm too lazy to go like walk up the stairs and go get that. So I'm just going to tell you. But like I said, I had the dancing stuff, but I never ended up fulfilling that goal, so I would like to definitely do that this year. And the A's, I did fulfill that one. I also had the music one and I didn't fulfill that, so I'd like to pass this one on to this here. Another goal that I didn't put on here, I guess it can go like with this, but to tell people about my YouTube channel. I think I'm going to definitely put that in. I'm going to make a video of it and tell some of my friends, because some of them have no idea, and which I'm shocked they haven't figured it out. Some of them have, but some of them haven't. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and be sure to subscribe. Not sure which side the subscription box is in, but one of these sides.
Renata Bliss, and I'm your freestyle dance teacher.
It will be in. Again, this was inspired by Amber Scholl. I love her videos. I've been subscribed to her for a long time. And if you could share that with her in any way, I'd really appreciate that, because I just want to show my support for her and also kind of show her the impact she's making. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!